Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a dragon. First we use a pencil to draw the big shapes. Then we use a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Finally we color our dragon in fiery colors. Grab a paper and pencil and draw along with me. Use a ruler to draw a grid of 3 squares wide and 2 squares tall. Draw a bean shape for the head. Add an open jaw. Draw the eye and pupil in the shape of a leaf. Draw the antlers. Draw some bumps around his head. Give the neck an S shape. Add an arched body. Draw an S-shaped tail. Notice that the overall shape of the body is symmetrical, with the left side mirroring the right. This creates balance in the composition. Draw the front leg and back leg. The other front leg is raised. The other back leg we draw a little higher because it is further away from us. Draw a line in the body for its soft underbelly. Add bumps on the back and neck. Start with a big bump in the middle and decrease their size towards the head. Draw an S-curve to mark the top ridge of the tail. Add bumps along this line. Draw a flame shape at the end of the tail. Add claws to the feet. Alright. Our pencil sketch is done. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Add a nostril, curly whiskers, and teeth. Draw around the sketch lines to give the antlers thickness. Draw some spikes on its nose. Add a beard. Draw spikes on its legs. Draw lines on the underside of the body. Add some scales. And our line work is done. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Color the inside of the bumps and spikes yellow and the outside orange. Color the antlers and claws beige. The eye and underbelly glowing yellow. And the body burning red. And voila! Our fire dragon is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.